iPhone 12. Best iPhone 2022, still a great smartphone. The iPhone 12 is a massive leap forward for the iPhone range, offering not only a brand new design reminiscent of the much-loved iPhone 4, but improved durability, Apple's new ultra-detailed Super Retina XDR display, 5G connectivity and an upgraded camera offering, making it harder than ever to justify the extra cost of upgrading to the Pro models. Simply put, the iPhone 12 is all the iPhone you'd ever need, and it's now available in a new shade of purple too. Design and build. The iPhone 12 is a step away from the iPhone 11 not only in features and spec, but design too. Gone are the curved edges of last year's iPhone range, with the iPhone 12 sporting a sharp 90-degree angle at its sides in a similar vein not only to the iPad Pro and iPad Air, but the beloved design of the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. It's completed by an aluminum band that runs around the edge of the smartphone, with near-flush volume and power buttons mounted on the sides. Display. One of the biggest upgrades over the iPhone 11 is the display, and it's immediately noticeable when you fire up the smartphone for the first time. In previous years, the standard iPhone has shipped with a standard LCD display while the Pro counterparts featured a superior OLED display, and it was historically a big reason to pay the extra for the Pro models. But, with Android smartphones boasting OLED displays, and not just flagships either, it's a trend that Apple couldn't keep up if it wants to remain competitive in the wider smartphone market. That being said, Apple took the decision to roll out the brand new Super Retina XDR display across the entire iPhone 12 range, and it's an absolute beauty. Performance and battery life. At the heart of the iPhone 12 you'll find Apple's new A14 Bionic chipset, one of the first in the smartphone market to be built on the 5nm process to provide not only improved performance, but a boost in energy efficiency too. Last year's A13 Bionic was one of the most powerful on the market, and I expect the same to be true of the A14 Bionic over the course of the next year, with the iPhone 12 able to handle just about anything I could throw at it without breaking a sweat. 5G comes to the iPhone. Of course, I couldn't talk about the iPhone 12 without mentioning 5G, one of the key features of this year's iteration. The iPhone 12 is the first Apple product to boast 5G support, and in true Apple fashion, the company has gone all in on integrating the upgraded connectivity into the hardware and software of the iPhone. One key area Apple was keen to focus on was compatibility, with the iPhone 12 offering compatibility with more 5G bands than much of the competition via custom-designed 5G components, meaning you should be able to access 5G in many countries around the world, not just the country of purchase. There's even support for the lightning-fast, truly next-gen mmWave 5G connectivity, but that's limited to certain cities in the US, for now. Camera. You'd be forgiven for assuming that the iPhone 12 packs the same camera setup as the iPhone 11 because, on the surface, not much has changed. There's still a main 12MP wide snapper and an 12MP ultra-wide, but the former has an upgraded f/1.6 aperture and a new 7-element lens to further enhance low-light photography. Pricing and availability. The iPhone 12 is available to buy now, following a release on October 23, 2020. You're able to pick it up directly from Apple alongside key retailers like Amazon and John Lewis in the UK and Amazon in the US, but those on the hunt for the smaller iPhone 12 mini have a little longer to wait, with the smartphone not going up for pre-order until November 6th. The iPhone 12 will set you back $799/$799, which is actually a $70/$100 increase on the iPhone 11 range. That's likely down in part to 5G connectivity, which does come at a premium, but it's more than likely to do with the fact that the aforementioned iPhone 12 mini will be taking the iPhone 11's original $699/$699 price. That's with 64 GB of memory, and you'll have to pay more for 128 or 126 GB of storage. Experts rating. Pros. Gorgeous industrial design. Super Retina XDR display. Camera improvements. Cons. No charger. No high refresh rate display. More expensive. Our verdict. The combination of an updated design, the Super Retina XDR OLED display, improvements to the camera and great performance, the iPhone 12 is the iPhone that most people should buy.